the struggle is real. I don't know what it is about glazing. Makes me not want to do it. I do know what it is. I do know what it is. It is all of those commercial glazes that I've bought that are not consistent and not reliable. So I shouldn't have that problem anymore because I'm not buying commercial glazes, but I don't trust the glazes that I've mixed. Doesn't matter. I've got to get my stuff glazed because Mom's coming. I can do it. I am a big girl. I am spoiled by Superman, who does not mind glazing one bit. You and me, babe. You and me, babe. It's just nothing else like you. We're ready to go. So, getting a glaze kiln ready, that's a fantastic positive thing. It is gorgeous outside. This is the part of the year where everybody loves Texas. It comes after the fire and brimstone of the summer, but oh my gosh, oh, it's a beautiful day. It is beautiful. And positive thing number 3, it's date night. Woohoo! Underglaze comes first. So we'll be underglading these. And I'm really not sure what the underglaze is going to do. As far as the leaves are concerned, these are Rojo leaves, so the clay will be that dark, so the green will look like that. So 2 greens on the Cinco Rojo for these 4 leaves. And I still don't have the waterfall brown working the way that I want it to, so I will probably do one of these in a flocculated. I'm going to try flocculating the waterfall brown before I start messing with the recipe, because the recipe is probably not the problem. It's probably the applicator that is the problem. Okay, so we love paper clay. We love it. So here is, if you let your paper clay dry out, looks like that, right? And it does not smell so bad. It does not grow mold on it. Okay, you want to know exactly how they fit. For instance, on this piece, it's not square. It's more square. It's more square on this side. It's a straight line, but on the other side, it's not. So here's the way we go together. I have 2 clean pieces. Paper slip or paper clay. I'm going to apply paper clay to this side. The bottom of this particular piece is actually waxed, but it broke after I waxed it, so it shouldn't be a problem. But I don't know. We'll just have to figure that out. And the other piece. And if you see stuff that looks like hair and fuzziness, that's good, because that is the paper. Alright, so stick these together. Hold it. I'm using my thumb to kind of rub the slip across the joint. Holding, holding, holding. Stuck on there. So I am going to just kind of reinforce this seam here. After firing, your bisqueware may have slightly different tones where you put the slip and where you didn't. But that's it. This little guy's ready to go now. He can dry out. I can glaze this with whatever kind of glaze I want to glaze it with. I can glaze it with underglaze. I can glaze it with true glaze. Whatever. Does not matter. Obviously, I've still got to glaze this. This has to be... and I will probably use some green underglaze since I rubbed some of that off. You know, clean him up because I just handled him with really dirty hands. But all told, he is ready to be glazed and fired to vitreous. There's no reason to fire him to bisque again. He'll be fine. As long as you don't put him in there wet. So he's going to go on the shelf, go in the next load. So, not this load that I'm preparing for now. I love him so much. I guess it's a she. I love her so much because she's flowers and pink. We should all have things that make us happy. All right, I've made all the decisions. This is the board. These papers are the decisions. And I have this little snafu that I need to put together, clean up. So, yeah, now it's doing all the dunks. I can do it.